sorry? Do you like subtracting?
Why is there the picture?
I told you, sorry, there were too many cupcakes. Well, let's recap the subtractions we practiced today, alright? We can also do horizontal subtractions. It's done in the same way. Pay attention. 3 minus 1 equals 1 and 2. 3 minus 1 equals 2. Awesome! Let's do the next one. If I take away the 3 cupcakes from these 5 cupcakes, 1, 2, and 3, I will be left with 1 and 2 cupcakes. 5 minus 3 equals 2. Excellent, sorry. Shall we try the last one? If I take away the 4 cupcakes from these 7 cupcakes, 1, 2, 3, and 4, I will be left with 1, 2, and 3. 7 minus 4 equals 3. Well done, sorry. Now you know how to subtract. Are you feeling better, sorry? My, there's nothing we can do with you, sorry.
Do you want to keep on learning? Try for free our Smile and Learn platform for a month and enjoy all of our games, videos, and interactive stories. Go for it.
All right,
Download Smile and Learn on your mobile.
4 minutes of meditation. Normally there's 5 for today. We're going to do counting to 100. By 1. Where's that carpet?
On every vacation at a river home, there's someone like you. Who reunited the
So, I need you guys all to the carpet so we can warm up our minds and bodies for math. You're not fixing my stuff, you're fixing your stuff. If you're not counting to 100, Mr. Johnson, come here. This is you.
Exercise and
Not one.
stretch your arms.
So, Ronald, we're done coloring. We're on the carpet. By now, we're done coloring. Carpet.
9, 10. Stretch your legs.
Either you're done now, or I take it and you're done for good.
14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Pump each arm.
Jason, turn around. Start counting.
23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31.
If you're not going to do the right counting, we'll do them on your own.
32, 33, 34, 35,
36,
37, 38,
Go count.
Shoulder shrugs.
41, 42, 43, 44, 45,
46,
47,
48, 49, 50.
50,
Pump elbows
54,
back. 51,
52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59,
60 to windmills.
61, 62, 63, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Number 1, 72, 73, 74, 75,
76, 77,
78, 79,
now jog in place.
82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87,
No, sorry, no.
I'm good. Everybody can see my feet. That was wet. I know. That was wet. That was wet. Wow.
Yeah.
Everybody can see it.
Yep.
I didn't put my clothes up.
All right, have a seat.
No, like this.
Who remembers the splat game? Great. Today we're adding. Oop, have a seat. Have a seat.
I just touched my back.
Have a seat. Today we're going to add more to the splat game. So Lionel, you and Josiah need to split apart. You guys cannot stand next to each other.
No, that's your side. He's not right here.
So Josiah, get to your spot.
Amazing.
I'm going to be handing you guys boards. I'm going to pass you guys out boards. Lionel, pass out my markers for me, please.
Hey, markers. Thank
Do
you.
not take the top off of your markers
It's
until I
wrong.
tell you to.
Why don't you stop? Oh, no.
It says your name was Xander and you didn't erase it off, so you erase your name off.
Cause that's not your bird. Pink.
Josiah, put your shoes back on. Yeah, it's in there. Aries, you need to join us on the floor.
It says
Arabella, same
diamond.
for you.
I don't know what you to see how to spell my name. I'll spell my name. If I spell your name, then I
As you're getting your marker, I'm going to pull up the splat game.
My or just Aries can. I'm gonna let you look at my bird. Not here. What? Okay, stop. So, if you can spell this, then you can play Roblox. Nelly, catch it. Oh.
Listen, before we start the splat game,
Okay, what is this?
Ronald, I'm waiting on your mouth to go off. Xander, I'm waiting for you to be. There we go. Before we start the splat game, I want to ask you guys a question. Do any of you guys know why we do this? Excuse me. Do any of you guys know why we do the splat game? Helps you learn. What does it help you learn, Stella? Yep. So, here's the thing. Xander, do you need to go back to your spot? Line up. Not line up. Line up. Just have a seat. If they don't have a marker, they'll do this. Josiah, stop talking. And Melody, stop talking. Look at here. I see Ronald's eyes. I see Stella's eyes. I see Heidi's eyes. I see Aries' eyes. I see Hallie's eyes. I see Maylee's eyes. I see Amelia's eyes. Does anybody not have a marker?
I do. I told her to do this if she wants to.
Yep. Then don't give her one until she does this. Now,
No, you have a marker.
before I begin, I had two people tell me why we do this splat game. Anybody else tell me why we do this splat game? I need to see your hand up and not telling me. Aries, why do we do this splat game?
Because it helps us do that.
Helps you do math. It helps me know that you know what numbers are, how to count, how to write the numbers, and then, most importantly, since we're doing subtraction, how to do subtraction. So let's start. Let's start. What do you mean?
How do you minus
You need to go to the nurse.
this?
How many dots are there? Write it on your board. Shh. Write it on your board.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Just write it on your board. Not out loud. Let's see, right here. Not out loud. Write it down. Once you have your number written, I want you to keep it on your board. Keep it on your board once you have it written. You should be writing it in number form, not in dots. And know that you know how to write the number 8.
It's number 8, right?
Yep.
Okay.
You should have 8 on your board. Keep it on your board. If you don't remember how to make an 8, very good, Jason.
S. Do an S and then connect the S.
Keep the S, or you can just know it. Next. Here we go.
Like this.
Were you right? Yes, you are. There's the number 8. Next, splat. How many are underneath? Do not erase the 8.
Mud.
8.
Mud.
How many are underneath the splat?
1.
Hmm.
I already know. Equation. I already wrote it.
This might be a little confusing, so let me help out. If you had 8, what I want to see is the number 8 written, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 minus 7 is what I should see on your board. 8 minus 7 is what I should see on your board. If we don't remember how to write it, very good. Hallie, let me see what you. Aries, you have one thing that Hallie doesn't. Aries, I want you to come up here and write your equation that you have on your board. Aries, yep. Aries is going to show you what you should have written on your board right now. Very good, Stella. 8, yep. Minus 7 equals. What does that equal?
7.
I want to see you. Show me how you came up with the number 1. Show me how you came up with that. Aries, hand the marker to Stella. Stella, show me how you came up with the number 1.
Oh. So I had 8 on my fingers, and then I took away 7, and I counted the last finger on my hand, and then I got the answer that was wrong.
Very good. She got it that way. Is there another way you could find 8 minus 7 equals 1? Hallie? Circles. Come up here and show me your circles. How do you find it using circles? That's 4, 5.
What was on the splat? Yeah, but if you're confusing, you draw 8 circles, then you're gonna cross out 7.
Ladies up the front, make sure you're paying attention. So it's Heidi. That's Maylee. Stop. How many do you have left?
1.
1.
Answer is 1.
The answer is 1. Is there any other way you guys could find? Any other way that you guys remember? You can use your fingers, you can use the dots. What other resources do we have in this classroom that you guys could probably use, Mr. Lionel? Blocks. Anything else? I think we've done pretty much those things. Yes?
Crayon.
Crayons.
I figured it out.
How would you use papers?
They cut it with a crayon.
Okay. So, yes.
You could also use, if you want to do it at home, if you have Legos at home, you can use it.
Yes, and Legos. And just raise your hand if you remember a number line. For subtraction, you could also use the number line. But the 3 things that we use right now, primarily, which is mainly, is our fingers, dots, and blocks. Now, our next one. Erase your boards. How many are there? Write it on your board. Very good. Very good. It's backwards. Very good. Just keep your mouth. Just write the number. I don't want to hear. All right, ready? See if you're right. Yes, 3. If you're unsure of how to write, the number 3 is right here.
I write it backwards.
Yep. So if you wrote it backwards, make sure it's going this way. Very good, Mr. Malik. Very good, Xander. Very good, Heidi. Very good, Hallie. Very good, Amora.
You did the same way.
Yep, keep going, Jason. You got it.
Dad, coffee, look.
Very good, Ronald and Josiah. Very good.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah.
We're gonna splat it. Splat.
Splat.
How many do you see?
3.
Hallie, yeah. No, Hallie. Yes, Maylee.
I got
Yes,
the answer.
Aries. Yes, Ronald, I want to see you up here. Yes, Stella. You can only give me numbers you see. Very good. Not quite.
0.
You can only give me numbers you can see. So,
I
go
can't
ahead and write your
see.
equation, Mr. Ronald.
I can't see.
Boom. Yeah.
I want to be. I can see nothing.
Yep.
My mom goes down. My mom
A number plus minus 0 equals what?
3.
Any number. So any number minus 0 is that number, right? So 3 minus, how many do you see right here? 0. So 0 equals how many are underneath? How many are there? Good job, Ron.
This was so
Come on.
easy. This is weird. This was so
Very
easy.
good. That was easy.
I like when Miss Kaufman teaches us math.
Subtraction, I love math. And I love numbers. Very good.
I love math. I love every single math.
Are you guys ready for the next one?
Yes. We're totally ready. I'm not ready. Please be hard.
It's
No.
going to be a hard one to see.
No. Don't be a hard one.
How many circles are there?
10.
Hey, listen, write it down. You button it out is not what I asked for. Alright, just write it.
Right. Heidi.
So, da, very, yes, Miss Maisie.
Can you put the spot on there?
I know. Sit back. Very good.
Put the spot.
Let's see if you guys are right. I've seen this number. Let's see. Were you right?
Yes.
Make sure you have a 1 and a 0.
Yes.
The 1 comes first, then it's the 0. Good job, Malik. Good job, Morris. Good job, Arabella. All right, let's see what we're splatting right now. Let's see.
Splat.
Splat.
Let's
Ooh.
hear it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 9. It's 9. There's 9.
So I say about the answer, just write it.
Oh. I know this looks like I'm already done. Nothing can stop me.
Stella, write it up there for me.
I didn't get it. I already went.
Oh, I know.
What does it equal? 4, 5,
Right, what's underneath the splat? You gotta count.
8, 9, 10. The die.
You gotta count the dots that are there, Ronald. How many dots do you see right now? Yes. Yes. Count the dots you see. No, it's not 0. We're not there yet. How many dots do you see on the screen right now?
9.
9.
Let me guess. It's please. It's 4. 11.
No.
Count, like count. 10.
Listen, he is showing you what you should have. So if you're having questions, Lionel is teaching you right now.
Count. 1 time.
Ronald.
1.
So why did you X out only 1? Looking at what you have right now, why did you X out only 1? Like, how did you know 1 was underneath that splat right there?
Because there was 10, and if you have 10 and minus 1, then it's 9.
Right, but how did you know that there was only 9 here? But how did you know that?
I counted it.
So you counted them first, right? So how many are here?
9.
So 9 would go here. And then equals how many are underneath the splat?
What's a Mariners?
Boom. 10. Actually, you read the math equation for me.
10 minus 1.
Now all of you, read the math equation for
10
me.
minus 9 equals 1.
Wow, you guys are so
What are you
brilliant.
doing?
We're gonna do.
1. A harder one for us, please.
We're gonna do one last one.
No! Yay! And anytime you go, don't be hard. So we can say
But-
something for tomorrow.
But I need your mouth. Please.
Don't be hard.
Actually, put your thinking caps on before I do another splat one. I just want to make sure that we're clear on this. What is 100 minus 0?
Oh, 100.
What is it?
100.
Okay, just checking. All right, so our next one. Count them. Not out. Once you get the answer, just write it.
8.
What did I just say? Once you get the answer, what should you do?
Write it. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25,
Write it. The reason why I don't want you guys yelling out answers are two reasons. One, sometimes you're wrong, and I don't need everybody else to think they're wrong because your answer's wrong. Two, I want to know what somebody else knows, not what you know. So if you blurt it out and someone's unsure and they write what you wrote, they're telling me what you know, and now they know. What number are you looking at? Josiah? Okay, I need you to count. I'm going to. What is the answer? Did you get it right? Stand in the corner. If you did not, change your answer to that right there.
I got the answer. It's backwards 6.
9. Nope. 6 doesn't even go that way.
A 6?
Very good.
You,
All right, here we go.
a 9
I'm going
is
to splat it.
upside down.
What's
Wait,
the equation?
wait. We did this before.
So it used to be easy. What's the equation? Nope. That's why you stop yelling things out. Very good, Aries. Yes.
Watch what it is. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's not a 6 you have.
Dude, you can't even scream it out loud.
Just stop talking out loud.
Right.
It's the right answer, but not the equation I'm looking for.
What?
Yes.
You know what?
I know you can only give me the numbers you can see.
I feel clean.
You can't see those.
Master, is the 9 gonna stay though?
Yes.
Is the 9 stay?
The 9 stays. You saw that many. We splatted. Now you're giving me the numbers you can see.
I can see. 7.
That's not the equation.
7, 6, 4, 5, 6.
Write the equation for me.
No, it goes in the middle.
Yes, you do, because it's the number you can see. What number can you see right now?
4, 5.
Yep, there you go. Now give me yours. Looks beautiful.
Can I erase?
Don't erase it.
Please, Miss Coffee. Miss Coffee. Can you see that? It's black. Right?
Yeah, it looks different.
Yeah, that is different.
Very good. Very good. Oop, your 3's backwards. Your 6 backwards, Mr.
My T wrong is backwards.
Okay, so draw your circles if you're unsure. Yes, Stella, that's correct. Very good, Ronald. Ronald, have you been up here?
Yeah. Not me. Not me. Not
You're
me.
not done with yours. If you're not done, I haven't called on you. Very good. Have you been up there?
No.
Okay, show me how you got your answer.
I X'd that. I got some back. I want to see what more lights up there because I don't always see a hand like this.
What circle should you do? I'm gonna let you do it first.
Start at where's the math slicer name?
She can draw wherever she wants to draw.
What? And you stop that. People's business.
Okay, so what are you doing right now? Talk us through it. Why would you put a 7 there? Do you want to ask for help from one of your friends? Or do you think you could do it on your own? Okay. Let's go.
You want nobody help. Nobody. Then you want to do it by
Talk
herself. I was going to help her. Me too. I wasn't talking to you. I wasn't talking to you. Rose, you're not playing Roblox with me?
Okay, so that would be a conversation for recess in which you just had, not for math.
I said leave me alone.
I'm helping, so go ahead and listen. Millie, you're not doing what we're doing now, so you do what we're doing during your special time. Okay, so what are you doing right now? Okay, why are you making 30?
Who wants to get the answer on there?
we're trying to answer before we know how to get there.
I know
How do
to
we get to the answer?
I know.
That's what I want to know.
I'm more me too.
So more, how do you get to the answer? First thing you should do is make 9 circles. Okay, that's the equation, or I'm looking for how you got the equation.
I got the tower, not right. I know it. I know it. 7. Amora, draw 1. C. Oh, wait, what's the What is
Okay, so Amora, look at me. You're making the equation that's already up there. I'm looking for how you got to the equation. What's another way you can show me that equation?
I know.
Do you understand what I'm looking for? Do you understand what I'm looking for? Circles, thank you. There you go.
Where are you, Joe?
There we go.
This is why we do math. Nobody knows the answer.
You guys should know.
This is why we do math, because sometimes some kids don't know. Some kids don't know answers. You're not supposed to. I know every answer. I know what one.
Guys, who's teaching right now?
Amora.
Amora. So who should you be looking at?
Amora.
Okay. So she's drawn 9 circles. She's now crossing out. How many are you crossing out, Amora? 6. Okay, you have 4 crossed out so far.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can get all the way to 100.
I know.
I know 100% for you.
Just cross out one more. You don't have to erase. Just cross out one more.
I know 100%.
All right. How many does she have that are not crossed out there? 3. Amora, read the math sentence for me. 9.
Yeah.
Very good. Now, all together as a class, read the math equation for me.
9 minus 6 equals 3.
Yes. Nailed it. Love that for you guys. What I want you to do is go ahead and erase your boards. Put the tops on your markers.
Am I going to collect the markers? Nope.
Right now, collect the markers. Hallie and Stella collect the boards.
I was